Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I just wanted to come on real quick before the new year just to share all the um, creations I did for Deck the Year hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. It's an open collaboration on altering playing cards, index cards, time cards, and did I say index cards? Playing cards, index cards of any size. Yeah, that's all I did. That's all I did this year. I believe Penny has opened up next year with um, Rolodex cards or memory dex cards, whichever you want to say them. Um, and she's reopening it for flashcards. So not only can you do it, can you alter time cards, playing cards, index cards, but Rolodex and flashcards and playing cards. Well, playing cards is like the norm, but yeah. So you have lots of options to create um, and alter. So that's going to be very interesting to see everybody's creations. I've been just cleaning off my desk. I'm having a cup of coffee. And I thought, I'm trying, I, over the past couple of days, I haven't crafted at all. And I wanted to come in here and do some crafting, and I have no idea what I want to do. And I hope that's not going to play out in 2026. Can you believe it? It is almost the new year. Where did the year go? It just like I blinked and it's gone and it's over. And, life goes on. And it just, I don't know about you guys, but every year now, as I've gotten older, seems the years just go faster and faster. And when I was younger, I always thought, gosh, the days are going so slow. And you want to get older and you want to mature and now it just seems like boom, another year has gone by. Craziness. Okay. So I wanted to come on real quick and share some of my deck the year. Well, I wanted to go and do a recap. Um, I don't want to make this a long video, so let me go pretty quick on these. I'm not going to say which weeks, and these are not going to be in any order, guys, because I don't want to make this video too long. So that one, I love that one. Um, so these are the 3x5 index cards that I did, all of them. um, so I love my little washi, my little handmade. I love that fall one. I don't know. I love them all. This one, yeah. Um, so I just want to share them all with you. And some of them I've already gifted, like my Halloween Julie Nutting doll. This one I glittered. Can you see the glitter? Oh my gosh. Um, and that glitter came from, let me see. This was June. Oh no. This glitter was, I sprayed it with something else. I think it must have been the glitter mist or something. Um, there's a Valentine's Day one. Those are the small. Let me do the big ones, the big index cards. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. And I want to thank Penny for hosting this. I think this is my second year doing them. I think. Or is it my third? I can't remember. I know that she's on her, or next year will be her fourth. No, I did not do her first year. I don't think I did. So this must be my second year because next year will be her fourth, right? This one has a little pocket. Cute. This one is a twofer. So this was 1 week, and then I did another one with the smaller index that I made a pocket in the back. So cute. Love this one. This one, I love the postcard. So I love the, I'm not one for green and blue, but some of these cards are really stunning. This one has a little bit of shimmer and some metallic. So those are the big ones. Let me do the playing cards. And like I said, guys, I gave some away. So these are not even, and then I took a break. So these are not all 52 cards. This is the one I just did last week. Oh, I love this Santa. I love this Santa. This one is a die pocket. So cute. Chipboard piece with some stickers. Very busy, very busy. This one is an embossing folder and some Dollar Tree stamps. This is a cluster that I did a long time ago. Never used it on anything until now. Some lace and bling. This one is, I love the saying, to the world you may be just one person, but to one person you may be the world. I love that. And that is a new stamp that I got this year. Some collaging, no rhyme or reason, you know. Here's another one. Oh, gosh, I love them. This one I was trying to do some mixed media in the background. Oh, too cute. Love that. So those are the playing cards. Okay, here are the time cards that I did. This one I made into a pocket with a little window. Here's a little tag that I had in my stash. Yeah, that's a time card. This one I did with the Michael's little houses this year. That was new. And I made a little snow village, I guess. Love that. This is like kind of a shabby, this is a dress die. So cute. I love them all. I can't decide which. I love this one because this is a new item that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And I just started to like these time cards because they're so long, and then they're just so perfect. Where did my other? I put it away. I put it up here. Then I started doing the Julie Nutting dolls, and my October Halloween one, I gave away in the What's in My Boo bag. And yeah. So I want to thank Penny for hosting. This has been an amazing collaboration. I'm going to take this out. An amazing collaboration. I truly enjoy doing it. And I hope, I'm not sure if I'm going to do next year's. I'm hoping I will. And hopefully that'll fit. Yep. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a happy new year. Hopefully I'll be back on the 1st and share my first deck the year. If not, then I might be taking a break. I just haven't decided yet. So thank you everybody again. Have Happy New Year again. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye now.